Did you know you can access entire ebooks, academic journal articles, news, and streaming video from off-campus? I'll say it again because using a microphone is fun. As current Emersonians, you totally have access to full-text articles like this, PDF, from off-campus using Emerson Library's Multisearch. Here's how you do it. You start at Iwasaki-Library homepage. You can Google Emerson Iwasaki-Library or go to emerson.edu/library. When you're here, start your multi-search with a couple keywords or phrases, your topic of interest distilled to the essential concepts. How about Afrofuturism and literature? All right, results. Here's a library pro tip. Limit your results by publication source type to see only academic journal articles. Great. Oh, excellent. Here's an example of an article record page in Multisearch. Sci-fi and Afrofuturism in the Afrophone novel, from the journal Research in African Literatures, published by Indiana University Press. All right, so how do we access the full text of this article? I'm so glad you asked. In the upper left corner, you'll usually find a PDF or HTML full text link. Let's see if it works. Oh, fantastic. 26 pages of PDF goodness. You could download or email this to yourself and have this article in its entirety. Very good. What happens if there is no PDF or HTML full text link here? Well, just keep clicking until you have the article in front of your face. If it says view the article in a different database, that's fine. If it says request this article via interlibrary loan, no problem. If you run into any issues with an elusive article, just email us at reference@emerson.edu. Okay. Other useful tools on this record page. The email yourself icon, which is the little envelope icon in the toolbar on the right side of the page. From here, you can email yourself the PDF attachment of the entire article, as well as a formatted citation in a variety of styles. We've got MLA, we've got APA, all your citation style needs. You can also change the sender email address to, for example, your own email address and get through any spam filters that your email has in place. Another great and useful tool on this page is the very tiny chain link permalink icon. Clicking on this link will generate a durable, permanent URL back to this article page and to the article full text. The evil twin of this very good permalink icon is the wicked browser URL bar. This URL from your browser is unstable, it is not permanent, and it will break. If you paste this into an email or into a Google Doc, it will not take you back to this article. So just remember your friend, the permalink durable URL generated from this little chain link icon. You can drop this into Canvas, Google Doc, chat window, and it will always take you back to the article that you wanted. Finally, for off-campus users, don't be afraid of this login screen. This login screen is a good screen. Enter your Emerson email credentials when prompted, and voila, you've got access to the library's online resources from wherever you are. If you have any questions about online library goodness, contact us at reference@emerson.edu.